Hey guys, I wanted to share some things that I have been working on and I recently finished. These birdhouses, you buy them from the dollar store. It's these wood shop birdhouses, and you have to put them together and the directions are on the back. And I bought these a while back thinking I was going to do something patriotic with them. And I decided that I wanted to put them together. And I used hot glue because the glue they give you is like Elmer's glue. And that stuff just doesn't work. So then I gessoed, and then I used a, like a stain. This stain on it, and the gesso I used was that Liquitex. So that I did that, and then I made the sign is a piece of wood, and this is a straw, which is right here, and look, it matches the ribbon, and I had the straw long before I got the ribbon. And I bought the birds and the little eggs at AC Moore, and I had to put a bunch of glue here to hold the straw in, but I put in like this, if you can see, I don't know if you can see in there, there's like the mosses in there to like a bird's nest, and the eggs just to decorate. Of course the eggs wouldn't be like that in a real bird's nest or birdhouse, but this is a whimsical piece, so it's not 100% accurate. I don't think this type of bird would be in a bird's nest, like a birdhouse like this. But anyway, I think it came out really cute. Here's for $1 at the Dollar Tree. Here's the rest. But so this one says welcome friends on the sign, and then this one says hello friends, and he's a different bird than this one, but or she, because she's the one who lays the eggs. So anyway, same idea on both, and then the little sign there. So yes, I hot glued everything together, and I would definitely buy these and make them again. They were fun, and the satisfaction of putting it together from the wood pieces to making it into a birdhouse is awesome. I enjoyed every minute of it. So I'm going to put these out when spring gets here in my living room. And yeah, I think they're going to be a cute addition to my bunnies, which I leave up all spring and into probably like the end of May, and then I put out the patriotic things. So once March comes, so March, April, and May, and then at the end of May I put out the patriotic stuff. But this will be part of my decor for the season. And yeah, I like it. I think they came out really cute. They're very sweet. If you make these and use dollar store Dollar Tree birdhouse kit, let me know. I'd like to see how yours turns out. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I will get back to them as soon as I can. And thank you guys for watching. and I will see you in my next video.